fantastic afternoon. Thank you for keeping here on KTN News. My name is Moses Wahisi, and now we juice it because we have plenty happening in the world of sports. Now, tomorrow, we'll be having the national trials. Also on Saturday, we'll also be having the national trials because the Athletics Kenya and every athlete in the country, they're looking up, shaping up and saying that they want to get the ticket. And the ticket is to represent the country during the World Championship this time out. A number of athletes are looking up for the Olympics come next year. But before that, we know we have a title that others are saying they need to bag, and that is the different national titles. Last week, we had a different extravaganza altogether, but who will represent the country in Budapest? We're talking about some big wigs in the world of athletics and the likes of Mary Moraa. For them, they are saying that we are trying as much as possible to see if we will be able to get that ticket. Asbel also on his side saying that that is the mission. Now, different athletes are training, and while at it, they are looking up for tomorrow's extravaganza and also Saturday's edition of the action. Davis Mberia today was up very, very early, and he pitched a camp actually in Ngong to file for us this report. Davis, what exactly are the athletes doing?
Well, thank you very much, Moses Wahisi. I am actually at Ngong, where all these athletes who are hunting for the World Championship ticket to represent Kenya come August 19 to 27 are actually honing their skills. And talking about these athletes, I managed earlier to talk to actually Mary Moraa, who will actually be representing Kenya in 800 meters. She is ready to actually battle for a place come tomorrow on Friday and Saturday. She acknowledges she will get competition from her compatriots during the Diamond League that ended just weeks ago, where she rattled to a win of 1 minute and 57 seconds. She will be using that experience come tomorrow. And here is actually what she shared with us.
Nimejiandaa vizuri, si mbaya. Juu tunaenda na ile rules yenye imetolewa na Athletics Kenya na World Athletics. 2 to close the line and number 3 maybe the panel inaenda kuselect. So ni lazima tujikaze. Hakuna kwenda kusema eti nimequalify, wacha niende nifanye nikimbie pole pole nitaweka kwa timu. Lazima ujikaze. Hakuna kitu inakuja bure. Si mbaya, nimengangana, nimejichengea China kulingana na ile mazoezi yenye nimefanya. Na zile advices napata kutoka kwa watu kama my mentor Eren. So unazisikiza mzuri na unajua ile mzuri, nasema nikienda na hii at least nitakuwa nimefanya something good yenye itakuwa inanisaidia in future. Hapo sasa lazima nichikase. Sitasema nimequalify niende niseme eti nataka nikimbie maybe nikuwe pozoni. Acha niseme ziezi jua nani atatangulia juu. Wamesema wanachukua watu wawili. So hiyo wawili lazima nichikase niseme naomba Mungu nikuwe mmoja wa juu tuko wengi. Siwezi sema naenda kuwini ama naenda kwa number 2. Ile yenye Mungu ataleta unakubaliana nayo. Because kila mtu ametrain na kila mtu ako shape. So anything can happen. Yes. I think kitambo ifike from 19 to 27 next month. Siwezi sema nitaenda kuleta gold, silver ama bronze. Because competition inakuanga felt tough. Kitambo upite kwa hits, semis, ufike finals, utakuwa umefanya kazi. Na medals zinakuanga only 3. Gold, silver na bronze. Siwezi sema naendea gold, naendea silver ama naendea bronze. No, hiyo siku ikifika ile yenye unapewa na Mungu, una accept. So sijui niko wapi. Juu tumetrain sisi wote tuko shape.
Still talking about the World Championship ticket, we manage also to talk to Abel Kipsang. He is among the athletes who will be looked at come tomorrow, and he is the 2022 World Indo Championship bronze medalist. He has also showed his prowess in the police championship that were held at Kasarani, and he says he is ready and aiming for that ticket to actually make his name in 1,500 meters race.
Kwa sababu nimefanya mazoezi, najiona niko sawa. Naenda trial. Coach ataona ile atarakabisha wapi nikisha fusu kwa hiyo trial. Coach ataona atarakabisha wapi kwa sababu kila mtu akienda anatarajia kushinda. Nimekimbia Indo niko na bronze, nikakimbia Afrika niko na gold. Sasa naomba Mungu niongeze tena kwa World Championship kama ni gold ama silver ama bronze, lakini sana na target gold kama benye watu wengine wana target. Kwa sahi maana saa zingine unaweza amka hali ya mwili ni hii, unajisikia ni kama mwili si yako, so ile siku ya trial naomba mwili iko sawa, na nitaambia mashabiki wangu sitawa let down. Yeah.
Of course, Abel is building her stature in 1,500 meters, but also he looks up to some of the athletes. And here is one of the athletes who actually motivates him to do better.
Sana sana naangalia Timothy kwa sababu yeye ndio amekimbia kwa muda sana. Pia ningependa nikuje niko kama yeye.
Actually, just share with us how is the training ongoing here at Ngong and how well are his athletes prepared for the race. Coach, thank you so much for joining us on Inside Sports. How is it so far?
Yeah, we are doing good in training, and my athletes are doing very well. We have done our endurance very well, speed, and we are hoping that tomorrow or on Saturday they will be doing a very good job. In each championship, it has a lot of you have to gain experience, and I've taken them to the Diamond League, and of course they are ready. They are ready for the championship, and we will see what will come.
Some of the areas that you are brushing just to see they are good.
Yeah, and for the last 2 weeks we have been concentrating on speed endurance, and we want to see how far they can do in the best time they can get in Kenya to be selected. Yeah.
Everyone will ask, why did you choose Ngong as the training center for your athletes?
Yeah, first of all, that you've seen that in the entire world there was the field was being constructed in the nation. Kipchoge Stadium in Eldoret, in Cameroon, they're doing the same. So I choose here because of the availability of the Nyayo Stadium and Kasarani. So here I choose this is a good place to have training, and it's a high altitude. It's a place which is